What's the word?
Where are we going?
We're going to Jomar's shop right now.
We're going to JC Performance?
Yeah, what are we doing?
I don't know.
I don't know. He kidnapped me, so please send help.
We're going to do something?
Yeah.
What's that pulling in the back of the truck right now?
We got a little trailer. I don't know if you can see that. We got a trailer. What are we going to do?
I don't know.
We got to go pick up this dude's BMW.
Damn. I wonder why.
What happened, Vinny? What'd you do?
Well, as y'all saw in that last clip, the oil filter is completely powdered with bronze material. It's probably rod bearing, and don't really know what to do from here. We're gonna find. I'm thinking the crank is probably scored. I don't have high hopes, but probably need a new crank. Hopefully not a new block, and we'll go from there. It's also Texas 2K next week, so shops are busy. Not really gonna have anyone able to reach out and help us. So maybe I should just make a GoFundMe, or maybe I should just part out this fucking car. Another thing to add, I was gonna show y'all. I don't have it right now, but I got a bike. I got an SV650. Gotta do some bike content. Y'all want some TikTok shit? I can dance in front of a camera.
You want to see him do a wheelie?
I can do a wheelie too. But I got dancers. I gotta be in like a TikTok outfit, pajamas and shit.
Skin tight outfit.
Skin tight. You can see my moose knuckle. I start dancing and shit. But I'll have bike content when I get it back. Fortunately, the clutch is smoked on that somehow. It wasn't me. I'm a good rider.
He keeps breaking his shit.
Nah, it wasn't me. It was a previous owner. It was a garage find on the SV650. So whatever the fuck they did to it, they were pretty bad at riding it. But other than that, we'll get back to you when we go up to Jomar's little sex dungeon.
Stay tuned for more breaking cars. Bye.
So we're here at Jomar's.
We're here at Jomar's.
He loaded up the car. We forgot to get that.
We picked up this hunk of German shit.
So what's that noise? He's clapping. It's crazy. He can sync the clapping to the car.
It's crazy.
It's like the car's clapping for us.
It's clapped activated. Here. Might need another one. I don't have any more. Yeah.
Damn. That's crazy. Why are we loading this car up?
Why?
Yeah.
Because you broke it.
I didn't break it.
You decided to throw a fucking 10mm socket in the oil pan.
I did. I think he did that. Think he put a 10mm socket in there?
You stuffed some rags in your oil pump, so.
Shit.
Something like that.
It's like just clapping for us like a seal.
You did your oil change, forgot to put oil back in it.
Ah.
We have a problem if we did wood.
Huh?
If we did wood, and you strap it down. Well, no, it's not raining.
Yeah.
I don't have any more wood. So.
Can the viewers have something for us?
I hope so. Somebody come save us.
We need the viewers to come save us right now.
This could have been a
Oh,
wood
shit.
called Cruise.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, pull your door. Pull the door back.
It's just called Cruise. It's Cruise. Cruise is the guy that we would have had here, hadn't Vinny tried to save a buck.
Oh, he was about to spend like, how much? $200 just on the trailer and some ratchet straps?
Didn't realize it came out to that with the toy hauler.
That's not going to be enough?
Well, the thing is, there's no way of strapping this in, because this has to go over and strap over there.
No, I know. That 2x4 is not going to be enough.
No, it has to make up for this.
So the car's on.
Did you put something on the plate?
No.
Does it already have the thing on?
Yeah.
Oh. Did you turn it on?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Does that work?
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Thank you. So what are you doing with this croissant wrench?
Oh, I gotta loosen this. I guess it's like carabiner. Yeah, I loosen this so I can adjust it one link. See if that would give us enough tightness, whatever the fuck you want to do. Hold on. That might not work.
How you feeling?
Fucking great. This might not hold.
Any earwax?
I think so.
Alright, I'll get them out for you.
Okay, thank you.
Viewers, can you reach your finger out and get it?
Viewers. Oh, fuck.
All
Thank
right.
you. Oh, shit's tight anyway.
We'll be back when this is fixed.
That's my not working.
Oh, fuck. Never mind.
Fucking running around like that. You ready to back up?
No. I haven't backed out of the trailer in fucking years.
Alright. Let's watch the magic. Just don't hit that van that's back there.
What van?
Exactly. Say bye.
Bye.
God damn it, Vinny. Alright. So as soon as your rear tires get level with that the van,
Yeah.
choke it left.
Which rear tire? Trailer rear tire or
Yes, the trailer rear tire.
choking where?
Actually, you might have more. One. I'll tell you when to choke it. You're gonna choke it left.
This one.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
Alright.
When I say left, you're turning left.
Alright.
Okay? I keep it simple. Alright? Have fun. Pray for us. Hold on. Where was I? This way. All the way. All the way. Keep going. Come on. Straighten out. Keep going. Keep going. Now start turning this way. Straight. All right, you can clear it that way. You good? You clear? Yeah. There.
Bitch, let me fucking play.
How do you feel? Oh yeah. Look at that. He's leaving me. Oh yeah, that's good. Good idea. Yeah, click your hazards. You good? You good? It's just really hazards that I'm worried about. The turn signals.
Shit, okay.
Alright, how do you feel? Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Is it? You sure?
Yeah. Pretty hungry. Sorry.
I'm hungry as fuck too. I need some fucking water. This
Go get some.
motherfucker only brought water for himself. Look at that.
Dude, I thought you brought water.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Damn.
And he's still complaining that I didn't choose somewhere to eat after we loaded his fucking trailer.
Dude, what?
What? Alright, well, we're gonna find somewhere to eat. Wish us luck.
We'll be back.
Toodles.
We'll be back. Toodles. Toodles. I don't know, it's at 31%. Where are we at?
I don't know.
We're in Japan right now.
Called? In Japan. Yeah, we teleported to Japan.
So we got,
do you got this somewhere?
what are these?
Mozzarella sticks.
No, what are they called?
We came all the way to Japan for mozzarella sticks.
They're called the sumo.
The sumo sorella? What is it? Sumo sorella.
Alright, we need a taste test.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's a good cheese
Oh, that cheese pull, damn.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Tastes like a mozzarella stick.
Really? Think it's on par with Chili's?
Never had the Chili's ones.
Why?
You and Henry like to go without me.
Who?
You and Henry.
I don't know who that is.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. We'll
Cheating on me and just gonna deny it.
Nah, that's crazy. We'll report back when we get the rest of the food.
All right, toodles.
Alright. Toodles?
Toodles. Got my burger.
Right. So the service here in Japan's pretty fast.
Got this sumo pro.
What's in it?
Mozzarella sticks.
Really?
Onion rings. Little baby fries. Some meat. Tomato. Fuck, they have tomato. I don't like tomato.
You don't like tomato?
I don't like tomato.
What are you, 5?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do a big
Alright.
bite. Damn, look at that. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Look what I got, guys. I don't know what I got. What I get?
What did you get?
There's a fried egg in there.
Yeah.
I don't know what I got.
Tokyo something.
Tokyo.
Tokyo. What is it?
I don't know.
What's it called? The Tokyo Alexa.
Damn, look at that cheese pull.
Okay.
Alright. That's on Toodles.
Cool.
Toodles. These curly fries. It's pretty good. Here, you gotta try some. Here, let me give you some.
Okay.
Here.
Thank you.
Another one.
Thank you.
Hold on. Another one.
Thank you.
Hold on, another one.
Thank you.
Gotta take a bite. Gotta take a bite.
Hot.
Wait, hold on, I'll give you another one.
Alright.
Alright, take another bite.
Need some sauce on there.
Right here.
Oh, no. It's too much.
Just a bit.
Fine. I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Alright, try it.
You're turning this into like a mukbang. Look, all fries.
What you think of the fries?
Well,
I got some Toodles.
cool.
Toodles. What we doing?
We're dying today.
What you doing?
I'm trying to drive the car into the driveway somehow.
Why you driving my truck?
Just taking it to buy.
Shit, alright, bye.
Alright, Vinny. What did we just do?
We unloaded the BMW back into the garage at home. It's gonna sit there for probably who knows how long. I need a GoFundMe. Or actually, y'all should just Zell me. Can't afford shit. I forgot I had a trailer in the back. I forgot I had a trailer in the back. I was gonna start driving like I didn't have one. Oh shit.
Yeah, he's already creating traffic. We just left the house.
Whoops.
Oh man.
Whoops.
So I've driven a trailer before.
No, I have. I forgot the trailer was in the back.
So you were an instructor?
Yeah.
For backing up trailers?
No.
Oh. Explain.
I was an instructor for military equipment. It was like a trailer like that, but 10 times bigger than that. 24 foot long, probably like a couple more feet taller than that, wider than that, and like what, 15,000 pounds, 16,000 pounds, I think. Yeah, I was an instructor for that. I had to teach the students how to hook up the trailer, how to change out the spare, how to unhook the trailer, how to I guess drive it. Yeah, how to drive it, because they needed minimum certain number of hours and miles behind the wheel, and then also how to use the equipment inside the trailer, from the radios to, I think we had laptops in there as well to issue out to like an incident commander or such, just in case.
Man, it's swerving all over the place.
Yeah, I made it through. But yeah, it was basically emergency communications equipment for any natural disasters, and then we just hand them out to law enforcement or the fire department.
So what's next for the BMW?
Damn. I need some money.
Need some money.
I need a GoFundMe.
You have a plan?
Yeah.
Other than getting money?
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans? Or Feet Finder?
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah. I might be hopping on the OnlyFans with you, man.
I'm down. Make some money and then
Start posting pictures of my feet.
get the car running again.
I just gotta shave my feet. It will be good.
It'll look early enough.
Yeah. I don't know. Some girls are. Some people like manly feet, so we'll see. I'll try that first, and if it doesn't work out, then I'll shave.
Shit.
All right. Well, that's it.
That's it.
Anything else to say?
No.
How do you feel?
Damn. I don't know. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah. I guess I'll have some bike content.
Well, you heard it here first, guys. Wish us luck. Send us money. We need it. Peace.
Yeah, I guess the new content on the way will be my bike for now, and then I'll be getting content when I stop by JC Performance's shop. Just grabbing, I don't know, what other content, I guess. Oh, Texas 2K's next week. Probably grab some content from that.
Might see us there. We'll see.
Possibly.
Look out for our OnlyFans. Maybe a joint, maybe individual. We don't know yet.
Probably.
Anyway, toodles.
Toodles.